Have you ever wondered why your money doesn't go as far as it used to? Or how the entire economy works? Well, stick around for a quick and clear guide to basic economic concepts, explained in simple, everyday terms. Do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell before you leave. Hey there, I just wanted to remind you that I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube Talks. So let's dive right into my last video in the series of economic terms you need to know. Currency is like the secret handshake of the financial world. A trust token that people exchange for stuff. Each country has its own, and just like fashion, some are more in than others at any given time. Here's a fun fact. The euro is the only currency that sounds like hero spelled backwards. Coincidence? I think not. So here's the rundown. Currency is a medium of exchange. It keeps us from awkwardly offering goats in exchange for gaming consoles. It's the stuff in your wallet that does the talking. It's also a unit of account. Think of it as your money's measuring tape. Prices are expressed in currency to make it easy for you to know how many lattes you're giving up for that new phone of yours. Your currency sticks around and retains value over time. Perfect for storing under mattresses, though bankers often frown upon this technique. Exchange rates determine how much one type of currency is worth relative to another, much like how your friend's funny story rates against an actual joke. It's all about relativity and keeping the economy's gears turning smoothly. Now let's talk elasticity, the Gary stretch of economic concepts. How much demand or supply bends when prices tug at them. Elastic goods and inelastic goods play tug-of-war like a sibling rivalry, and watching them can be more entertaining than Saturday morning cartoons. Price elasticity of demand, or PED, describes how much the demand for a product changes when its price changes. It's like seeing if your dessert squad is still around when the cookies go from free to cha-ching. Elastic goods are those where prices drop and consumers flock faster than cats to open tuna cans. It's all about bargain hunting for things you wouldn't break bread for. For instance, with luxury cars, when prices drop, suddenly everyone's revving engines, pretending they're the next Formula One star, instead of taking kids to soccer practice. Lift those prices and you'll find more folks eyeing carpool options and moped rentals. On the other hand, inelastic goods are the no divas of the shopping scene. Prices can skyrocket or plummet, but demand stays put like it's glued to the floor. Basic food items, for example, bread and milk, no matter the price tag, these staples keep rolling in the grocery carts because breakfast just isn't the same without them. Even if they're BOGO, there's only so much you can consume before your freezer starts giving you a side eye. Elasticity helps businesses decide how to price their products and lets us all live a little smarter. Whether we're saving on spaghetti sauce or splurging on sports cars, it's like a guide to what people find irresistible and what they consider life's absolute must-haves. Currency keeps the world trading smoothly. Elasticity shows us how prices and demand dance together. Understanding these economic terms isn't just about sounding smart at dinner parties. They equipped you with the knowledge to make better financial decisions, both personally and globally. Economics isn't just for the textbooks, it's a part of our daily lives. Thanks so much for joining me through my entire series of economic terms explained. Stick around for my upcoming video because I will discuss an important topic you need to know about. I will see you in my next video to your left.